The two things we will need to make these mummy dogs will be some Crescent Rolls and your favorite brand of hot dog or smoked sausage. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to roll out our Crescent Roll dough. And then you're going to separate each one of the little triangles. Now we're going to take our pizza cutter or a knife, if that's what you have, and we're going to make long strips. This is what we're going to wrap around the hot dog to give the mummy effect, like cloth, like strips of cloth. So guys, these are so easy to make. You just take your Crescent Roll dough and you're going to just wrap it around the whole hot dog. Just going to keep wrapping it like this until you get to the top of the hot dog. Now that we got our mummies together, we're going to put them in a pan and you're going to lightly spray the top of them with a little bit of cooking spray. And just a little bit. And then you're going to place these in an oven on 375 for 13 to 15 minutes. Ain't they cute, y'all? So now all you got to do is put some eyes on with some mustard. And I'm taking a little toothpick, putting some mustard on it, and dabbing the eyes on.